Drive the 2018 4Runner. 4Runner durability is unbeatable. There are more 4Runners on the road today than any other midsize SUV. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, traction control, stability control, daytime running lights, fog lights, power brakes, battery saver, braking assist, cruise control, electroluminescent instrumentation. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.